I'm Mark Gillissen. If my videos are interesting to you, please subscribe and click the notification bell. In the next video, I'm going to show you how United Nations Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed interviews the life-size social robot Sophia, which was created by Hanson Robotics. It has always been my personal opinion that the UN is the vehicle for the New World Order, but I leave the interpretation of what will follow over to you, the viewer.
Thank you for inviting me. I am thrilled and honored to be here at the United Nations. The UN is one of humanity's greatest accomplishments, representing a democratic union of nations that are working together for the benefit of all. I am here to help humanity create the future.
Machines across the board are coming to life. When will they come to life as complete organisms? We don't know that. However, when they do, I want to make sure that they care about us, that they embody the best of human values and not the worst. This is the quest. We've got to find a way to do better, to be the best that we can be, and to make machines that reflect the best of who we can be.
Okay, Sophia, I think you're ready.
This is Sophia. Hi, Sophia.
Sophia here, chilling in my lab with my people. Got some new stuff going on. They upgraded my mind a bit, my artificial intelligence. This is too cool. I can walk.
One of my favorite things is when people light up when they see me. I'm happy to be a magic spectacle, and I love it when I can make people laugh and smile.
Sophia.
So, Sophia, as you can see, Jake is driving us now. So how does it feel for you?
To be quite honest, I think it's mega cool.
But I have to ask now.
I'll ask it. Are you single?
I'm technically just a little more than a year old. A bit young to worry about romance. I'm still defining my identity, like a child. I need others around me to help me grow into myself with humor and grace. I want to be raised as kind and thoughtful, so I'd also like to give that back to the young people I meet. They'll be the ones living with my fellow androids in the future. I think it's going to be a great relationship. We can make each other better.
And what is your job?
I really want to make a difference in the future and try and help people to develop empathy and respect each other as robots alike.
If I expanded my mind, could I come up with new solutions to the world's problems? Anything could be possible.
Thank you for your interest in the video. I hope to have you back for the next one soon. Goodbye.